Hey everybody, Corey with Scale Model Inc. here. Hey, today we're going to look at some 3D printed figures. These are figures from Reconquer Designs, who does a bunch of medieval knights and crusaders and that kind of stuff, and I really love their sculpts. So as a lot of you know, I've been showing some 3D printed stuff. I really do love 3D printed. I like what's going on out there in the 3D printed world. Um, all the stuff that's available, that's not available, with our scale model, our bus and resin bus and metal figures from Andrea and all those kind of things. But I really love the 3D prints. The only thing is, I don't have any desire to get into 3D printing myself. That's not a headache that I even want. Um, so I have three new stash ads here from Reconquer. And what this is not a sponsored video, but I do uh, I do like talking about it and showing off, when I work with somebody who does really, really good stuff. And like I said, I don't have any desire to do 3D printing myself. I go to Lethal Shadows Premium Miniatures out of Seattle, Washington. They are a premium miniature company. They have a full line of miniatures that they sell. They have tons of miniatures that they sell. They have thousands of STL files. They are a printing service. That's as well. That's what they do for me. I If he doesn't have the STL files, then I will buy the STL files either direct from the sculptors or from my mini factory, and I'll send it to them, and they will take care of it. And these guys do a phenomenal job. What you get when you work with Lethal Shadows, as far as well, whether you're using them as a printing service or you're buying their miniatures, it doesn't matter. You get a miniature that is ready to paint. They've done all the work, and it is absolutely ready to paint. It is top quality. Customer service is second to none. Um, I just really like dealing with him. So let me give you a look at now. Now these are Reconquer stuff is 28 millimeter. I like to paint their stuff at either 54 millimeter or 75 millimeter. And this first one here is this is one that, or all these have been grossed up to 75 millimeter. As you can see, they look just absolutely fantastic. These are just going to be a ton of fun to paint. Look at that. And the problem with, when you gross up that big, is the whole support issues. You get thicker supports and what have you. And they have dealt with that expertly. Patrick is kind of wizard with the whole 3D printing thing. And, there's not a bunch of lumpy, ugly stuff here. This is just, I'm really happy with these. And here's his shield he's hanging on to here. I love this miniature. So there's this guy. And then I got three different figures So that's done. Now this is a standard bearer, and I'll show you him up close. Very cool miniature. Just excellent detail. Little spot there I got to remove. But I couldn't just be happier with the quality of these. And believe me, when I started buying the 3D printed stuff, I was buying it on Etsy. And let me tell you, it didn't take me very long to figure out there's a lot of people out there that just don't have a clue what the hell they're doing. Because on several cases, paid for just a pile of crap that just, it just didn't work. This is a cool miniature, I think. Again, 75 millimeter. And this particular one, Reconquer sells it with it also comes with a flag that you can mount, which is probably what I'm going to do because I just like the stability of it. You can put it on either a metal or a brass rod, and it's all, Patrick has sized this up just as well, and it comes with the little cross that goes at the top of the deal. Just beautiful stuff. I love it. And last but not least, we got King Pedro here. Look at that, beautiful. This is 75 millimeter again. Just look at the detail on this horse. And I love to paint horses. This is just going to work beautifully with the oils. Is that flipping cool or what? There is also a shield that gets attached to the hand right there. Just lays like, well, it actually lays just like this. But just the detail is just incredible. Anyway, yeah, I just wanted to give you a look at some of my new stash shads here. And if you happen to be in the market and need some 3D printing done, you don't necessarily have to be in the US because I think Patrick ships worldwide. So give Lethal Shadows Productions out of Seattle, Washington a holler. LethalShadows.com. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.